I'm Henry Laker from HH Design. HH Design is a marketing company focusing on online and offline marketing support, web design, every type of graphic design, printing, pretty much every form of communication that you can think of. I first met Bernie from Regency Grove Communications about 8 years ago through a networking environment. The reason that I started actually using him for my business is a number of highly trusted business owners that were within that networking environment were already using him, and the feedback that I was getting about not just Bernie but the rest of his team from RGC, Regency Grove, was really, really impressive. So when it came time for us to actually make a change and use a different telecoms provider, it was just sensible to put our trust in Regency Grove. We've been using them ever since, so I guess about 6.5 years now. We use them for a variety of different services. We use them for virtual telephone systems. We use them for our broadband. We use them for a virtual assistant call answering service, so they take care of our overflow calls. If our own lines are busy, then their system kicks in automatically. They have a call center that take the messages and speak to whoever is calling us. They then send that information to us via text message and email, and they'll send it to whoever in the team the message is for. So it works very, very well to make sure that at any point we never lose an opportunity. The reason we started to use them for our virtual telephone systems is we have been using landlines in the traditional sense for quite a long time, but some of the team work here in the office, some of us work remotely across the country, even in different countries at times, and it just made sense to have a telephone service that would allow the entire team to be linked and talking to our customers via our phone system wherever they are. And the virtual telephone systems that Regency Grove provide allow us to operate in exactly that way. The beauty of it is that whenever we have a new addition to the team, we can just easily add a phone system, whether they work here with me or whether they work in a remote destination. It's seamless. It's really, really good control. If we need RGC to actually step in and take care of any redirections for us, again, they can log in remotely and do all of that. It's really, really good. From the virtual telephone systems, we moved on to using them for our broadband as our broadband provider. We've been using BT probably as a lot of businesses do. The service is just appalling, really, really bad on maintenance. When we had a problem with our broadband, it affects us in what we do as a business in a really serious way. No broadband, no business. And it's very, very difficult to get the kind of maintenance support and technical skill when you need it. We moved everything across to Regency Grove. They seamlessly had a new broadband line put in for us, so that the swap over between our old service with BT and the new service that they were providing just happened instantly. It was really, really impressive. Now, if we do have a problem, which is that terrible fear that so many people have, you take a phone for granted while it's working, or when it doesn't work, it becomes everybody's problem. If there is a problem like that, and it's happened once or twice, the team at Regency Grove have immediately stepped in and have been able to re-divert our calls so that we can still take them, whilst they have quickly dealt with the issue, got us back up and running again. Really, really very impressive. What Bernie and Joe from Regency Grove do differently to any telecommunications company that we've worked with before is they don't try to sell us whatever solution they happen to have. They listen to what we need and they identify what the best service, the best solution that is right for us. They've got really good integrity, really honest, and their knowledge in their field is superb. I would have absolutely no hesitation in recommending them to others, and already have done on a number of occasions.